Hello everybody, so today I'm just going to show you how to install the wavemon and how to use it. So let me just open my terminal first. Then what I can do is to just do wavemon. So I'm just using Arc for this. So for Linux, for the Debian or the Kali Linux, you can use apt for that. So apt search, then you will type wavemon, then it should show you the wavemon, and I have already installed it. So if I do wavemon, so let's do enter, and let's do full screen, and let's do again wavemon. So I have here the my Wi-Fi interface. So I have had the Wi-Fi what we call a name SSID, right? So here is our quality. So if I just open my browser for the test, right? So that should show you the signal. So here we have the signal, and we have the receive download rate over here. So and if I go on the visual, so if we do F2, right? So now it is showing the histogram. So we have the signal, so it's on minus 31 dBm. So if I just reload that again, now if we have another function, if we do F3, so this screen requires admin permission, so we used it as normal. So it scanned both the Wi-Fi and the radio frequency. And if we go on F9, so we have the about, and in F8 it just help. So this is very simple and easy to use tool. So if I do F10, so let me just zoom out, and let's do F10, and let's exit it. Now I hope this would be a useful tool. So thank